Welcome back. We have a very special treat for you, mathematicians. We have our very own Cameron O'Bannon with us this morning, and he has told me that he could show a fraction as a decimal and a percent. So let's let Cameron show us how to do it.
All right. So first you need to divide your numerator by your denominator. So 4 divided by 1. But oh wait, I can't do 4 divided by 1. So put my decimal point and then add a 0. So what's 4 divided by 10? And that would be 8. So you gotta put your 2 up here.
Okay, we're going to stop you for 1 second. You're doing a wonderful job.
Oh, yeah.
Where do you think the 2 should go?
Oh, behind the decimal.
Yeah. There you go, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So you should put your 2 behind your decimal point. And then you would get 2. But I can't do that, so what I'm going to do, add 0 to the decimal point. And that's what's 4 divided by 0. That's 5. And if it kept on going into a loop, then you would put the infinity sign to show that it never ended and it just kept on looping. So your percentage would be 25%.
Cameron, that was awesome. Thank you so much. If you don't mind, I'm going to review this decimal section right through here. Okay. So what you said was brilliant. You said we divide the numerator by the denominator. Is that correct? All right. So let me ask you a question. When you did this, which was a brilliant move on your part, does that change the value? Is that still 1?
Yes.
Yeah, exactly right. That decimal, this is still 1 because it's 1 and then 0/10, right?
Yeah.
So that was brilliant. And then you did divide. 4 goes into 10 how many times?
2 times.
2 times. Good job. So we divide, then we multiply, right?
Yep.
8, like you did. And here's what I wanted to revisit. When you did this 10 minus 8, you got 2, which is correct. The only thing that and this is because it's hard to write on a screen, people. The decimal should go here. Does that make sense? You always got to keep that lined up. Now I'm going to add another 0 like you suggested. Is that value still 1?
Yes.
Yeah, it's 1 whole and then 0/10.
And 0/100.
0/100. Yeah. So it doesn't change the value, right? So bring down. And then you told me, what's 20 divided by 4?
5.
5? Oh my goodness. We need a second teacher here. I almost made a huge mistake. Right now it looks like 25. What did I mess up, Cameron?
You didn't put the decimal point.
Let's pretend I did that at the beginning of the video, okay, everybody? Decimal points are crucial, so make sure that you put your decimal point where it needs to go. So I am finished with that, but let's double check. 5 times 4,
20.
20, 20 minus 20,
0.
0. And then, like Cameron said, sometimes you'll have a repeating decimal, and that's where the infinity sign, or have you seen this, Cameron, in class yet? Like the 0.333, and then a line over it for repeating? Okay, so thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time, and there'll be practice problems at the bottom of this page soon.